Today, we'll talk about the world of taxes and explore key concepts related to taxation. When it comes to taxes, understanding your marginal tax bracket and true tax rates is essential. Marginal tax brackets determine the tax rate applied to each portion of your income. Let's say you have different income levels subject to various tax rates. Each portion is taxed at its respective rates, and only the income within each bracket is taxed at that rate. True tax rates refer to the overall percentage of your income that goes towards taxes. We're going to go over this more later on. Taxes are a source of funding for governments. Taxes can be imposed on income from wages, interest, dividends, gains, rental of real or intellectual property. They could charge you for consumption, right? So something like a sales tax, wealth from asset ownership. They could charge you for owning real estate. Taxes can be progressive, which means the more you earn, the more you pay, right? Or regressive, like sales tax. So you have to pay proportionally more tax the less income you have. So now let's talk about some common types of taxes. We have income tax, which is levied on income earned by individuals and businesses, right? So once again, that could be a progressive tax, right? Tax rate increases as income increases, or flat tax, where the rate is the same for all income levels. Tax such as payroll taxes are deducted from employees' wages and paid by employers to fund social insurance programs, right? So common examples include Social Security, Medicare tax, right? Includes income, federal income tax withholding, state income tax withholding, other taxes such as unemployment tax and workers' compensation. There's also FICA taxes, 1.45%. And there's also state tax, right, which is levied by the state government on different types of transactions within the state. So some states have higher taxes than others. There can also be a district tax imposed on a specific district within a state, such as a school district or a water district. So common examples include places in Pennsylvania or Ohio, etc. Local taxes are levied by a city, town, or country government on income, sales, or contributions to social insurance programs. Is Social Security's tax for 6.2% of your taxable income up to $160,200 in 2023. That amount usually goes up every single year. Medicare tax is 1.45% of an unlimited amount of earnings. Employees will contribute 7.65%, and employers will contribute 7.65% as well. So self-employed people must, in most cases, pay the full 15.3%. If you're an employer, you must also pay FUTA taxes. This is 6% up to $7,000 and nothing beyond that. Lastly, we're going to talk about different types of income that can be subject to different tax treatments. Passive income, such as rental income or certain investments, is often subjected to specific tax rules. Ordinary income or active, which includes salaries and wages, are taxed at regular rates. Portfolio income, which is derived from things like stocks or dividends, may have special tax rates or treatment. So selling stocks, for example, is considered portfolio-related income. Stocks are taxed at short and long-term capital gains tax rate, with the difference being if you hold the stock for more than 1 year, you get taxed at a more favorable tax rate. Short-term gains are basically taxed at ordinary income levels. Furthermore, capital gains tax rates are not subjected to Social Security or Medicare tax rates.